Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to create a simple animated ball app in Scratch. So now let's see the demo of the app. So here is the demo of the app and we need to click on this play button. Click on the right arrow, it will go here, left arrow it will go here, up arrow and down arrow it will go like this. Now you would think how to change its color. So it's very simple. Just click on this, see the colors are changing. There are about 5 to 6 colors, see, so colorful. Now let's learn how to create this app. Now click on create and wait. And after some time you will come to this page. So now we don't need this image sprite. So for that go to costumes and then delete this. Now come back to code and then scroll down. You will see here choose a sprite. Click on search. Then search here ball. And then you will come to this. See, you can see all the different colors there are here. So then click on this and then this will come here. You can adjust where it will come and where, and then come back up, come here. Now this much only we need to do for the designing, and now all we need to do is code. Now when up arrow key pressed, we are telling what can the this animated ball do when we click on up arrow, down arrow, or when we give it any instructions. So when space key pressed, then change this ball's y by 30, y value by 30. So change y by 30 when up arrow key pressed. We need to do this when up arrow key pressed, then we need to change the ball's y by 30. So then if you click on the up arrow, first click on this green flag, then it will go up. See, it went up. And now we need to do this for same thing for everything, but we need to do some different code, little different code. So we need to duplicate this, put it here. When down arrow clicked, then minus it by 30. It's like that. Then down arrow clicked, minus it by 30. So I'm going to come back here, refresh this and down. See, it came back here, down, down, up, up. And then we need to do it for side also. So to do it for the side, we need to do the x value. After doing this, we need to put this out and then duplicate it 2 times. Then put this here and this here. Now we can even copy paste change y. We cannot copy paste change by y30 because now we need to code if someone clicks on the right arrow and then on the left arrow. So for that we need to change x by 10 and we need to put these two here. Okay. So when left arrow key pressed, change the x value by minus 30, and when right arrow key pressed, change value by 30. Yes. Now click on this flank and then see up, down, right, left. Okay. Now we have done this. Now we need to see that how to change the color of this ball when we click on it. So to do that, we need to scroll down here, and then when sprite events, when sprite clicked, looks, change color effect by 50. See, we have done this. Now if you click on this one, see the colors are changing. See, all the colors are changing. So this much code we have done to create this very simple app. Now after doing this, we can even change the app of this. So simple animated ball app. Now we have done this. Click on save now, and then here we have done. I'm going to show you one more time. Okay, so up, down, right and left, click on this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, the colors are changing. Now we need to see how to publish this app now. So click on share, and then instructions. We need to see instructions. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to say click on right arrow to move the ball, and I'm going to do this, move the ball to right side, and then I'm going to do this for all the instructions I'm going to put here. Now we have put all the instructions here. So if someone clicks on this, how will they know that what to do? So they will see this description here, and then they can work on with our app. Now after doing this, actually it's already published actually. See, congratulations sharing a project, right? So it's already published. Now I'm going to tell you one more thing, notes and credits. Now, like if you have seen some video or anything and you have made this app using that, if you want, it's not compulsory, if you want, then you can write from where did you see this app and make it. If you did it yourself, fine, then you don't need to put anything here. So this is how you can publish your app. Now I'm going to search here the name of the app, simple animated ball app. Right now nothing is found here, well, because it takes some time to publish, so that's why nothing is found here. But if you check it after some more time, you will find it here. So see, now thank you so much for watching this video guys, and be safe and have a nice day. Bye.